Hi guys, I am here in East Coast again, and look, I have a sister who is celebrating birthday today. Yeah, she's Indonesian, and all his friends, and my friends, and their friends, and good friends. Where are you going, brother? Hi, Susie. Welcome to my vlogs. Welcome to my vlogs. Hi, guys. It's very hot here. Very, very hot. It's very hot. You see this weather? Oh my God. Andito kami sa East Coast, and this tent is for rental. So if you want to come overnight, you can book this via online. So this is East Coast barbecue pit area. So if you want to go and book one tent, you can have a barbecue by night. So every barbecue, it has a number barbecue pit, 68G, area G. So this is very easy to find. So if you wanna take a Grab or taxi, just say to drop you at 68G, and from the road to here, just our 2 minutes walk. And look at here. Okay, somebody was resting that side, so we won't disturb them. So the other side is available. So, oh look, the airplane is here. It's very hot here. Okay, this is it. Yeah.
Ambil, munta RT itu.
It's also